Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this look using this palette again. And I also bought some new brushes I got from Amazon. I really like these brushes. They're very soft. They're very, very soft. So I use these brushes already. Well, not this one, but I use these brushes already to achieve this eye look. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my thoughts on this palette. I used this palette 3 times in my video. And yeah, I'm going to give you my thoughts on this palette. What I'm going to do now is prime my eyelid using this primer. And everything that I will be using in this video will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so now I have the concealer in. I'm going to take this green here. It looks a different color, but it's like a dark hunter green. So now that I have that green in, I'm going to go into this one here. I'm just going to put that on top of the green. I'm not going to be blending anything. I'm just going to just put that right on top of it. Okay, so I'm going to take these 2 shades here and add that above the other shade of green. I'm only doing tapping motions, like tapping the shades on top of each other. So I cut my crease off camera using this primer. This is a different shade of primer that I use for my eyelid. But this is what I use to cut my crease. Now I'm going to go back into that darker green. I'm going to add that on the side of my eyelid. So for the next shade, I'm going to take that lime green shade that I showed you. I'm just going to be repeating the colors going in. Instead of me blending it out, I'm just going to use tapping motions on the side of it. Okay, with this yellow shade, I'm just gonna do the same. Just repeating it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this green here. It's like a shimmery color, a shimmery shade. And I'm just gonna add that towards my tear duct. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is add that darker green under my eyelid here. Just gonna smoke it out. I'm gonna take that lime green and that yellow and also blend it under my eye. Okay, so off camera I added my liquid eyeliner. Okay, now I'm gonna add my Revlon mascara to my top and bottom lash. So I added my lashes off camera. So what I'm gonna do is finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look. So about this palette, let's talk about it. Okay, so the matte colors in this palette, I like it because you can build the shades up to the desired shade that you want it to be. The pressed glitters, I love it. There is not that many pressed glitters in this palette. It's only 3. Only one of them out of 3 I use. But here is the pressed glitters. And the shimmery shades is also good as well. I'm going to show you that. I'm not going to do all of them. Because it's like too many. But these are the shimmery, shades. Okay, so will I be using this palette again? The question is yes. I will be doing other looks with this palette because I do like it. Would I recommend it? Yes. And if you're wondering why I recommend it, I have 2 other videos you can watch of me using this palette and this look. Okay, so about these brushes that I purchased from Amazon, I do not recommend these brushes. When I first use it, I'm like, okay, you know, I like it. You know, it's soft. The bristles are very soft. But the only thing about these brushes is, look, like, what the heck? Why? Just why? But no, no. As far as that, no, I would not be recommending these brushes. I would not do that to y'all. Like, look, that is bogus. Like, what the heck? But with this look, the overall look, the Abstraction palette and everything, yes, I do recommend this palette. I will be leaving everything in the description box below. They are now selling, I don't know how long they have been selling the Abstraction palette on Amazon, but I looked on there and they have it on there. So I will be linking that in the description box below, as well as my discount code and everything for the actual website if y'all want to go on there and purchase from there, or either Amazon. I'll put both of them down in the description box below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. And as always, thank you for watching.